summer after high school when we first met. We'd make out in your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday we got matching tattoos. Used to steal your parents' liquor and climb to the roof. Talk about our future like we had a clue. Never planned that one day I'd be losing you. In another life, I would be your girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world. In another life, I would make you stay, so I don't have to say you were the one that got away, the one that got away. I was June and you were my Johnny Cash. Never one without the other, we made a pact. Sometimes when I miss you, I put those records on. Someone said you had your tattoo removed. Saw you downtown singing the blues. It's time to face the music, I'm no longer your muse. In another life, I would be your girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world. In another life, I would make you stay, so I don't have to say you were the one that got away, the one that got away. All this money can't buy me a time machine. No, I can't replace you with a million rings. No, I should have told you what you meant to me. Oh, 'cause now I pay the price. And in another life, I would be your girl. We keep all our promises, be us against the world. In another life, I would make you stay, so I don't have to say you were the one that got away, the one that got away, the one that got away.
Yay! Well done, girl. Well done. Louise, what do you think of Keeleigh's performance?
Keeleigh, I thought, well done to your boyfriend for making you audition. I'm glad you've come to us. You've got such a lovely voice, and I think considering that was a cappella, people tend to kind of go off the pitch they start on, but you stayed on the same pitch all the way through, which is really, really quite good. I love the song choice. Like Joey said at the beginning, we don't hear it very often. I don't think I've ever heard it in an audition. I don't know if you have. So I love the song choice. I thought it suited you, sat really nicely in your voice, and I love your little quirkiness at the end of like some of your notes. I think you've added that uniqueness to your voice. So I thought it was a lovely audition. So well done.
Keeleigh?
Yeah, I think you've got a really, really pretty tone. And I think, you know, this process challenges people, and it'd be really nice to see you take on new challenges and sing different styles as well, because I think that style of song really, really suited your voice, and it really showed off that unusual sort of tone that you've got. And I think the more challenges you have thrown at you, the more we'll bring that out of your voice, and I think that you could really benefit from growing from, you know, the themes and things like that. But I thought it was a really, really pretty audition with a really, really pretty tone. Well done.
I mean, like, listening to you, Keeleigh, to be honest with you, I wasn't expecting you to sound how you do. Like, when we had a chat the other day, I wasn't expecting this sort of tone to come out of you. Now, what I really liked about this is that I can see straight away that you were very inexperienced in terms of like how the industry is and what you could do as an artist and things like that. And I can hear straight away that you kind of just, you're at that place where you're just singing at the moment. You don't know what suits you, you don't know what you're capable of and things like that. And the only reason I say that is because when I was listening to you then, there were so many points I was picking up on. I was like, oh my God, this girl's got lots and lots of potential here. And there was points throughout, you know, and it wasn't perfect, but I could hear them points, which was enough to tell me that, wait there now, with a bit of experience, with the right songs, with the right advice, this girl could blossom into something really special. So I do believe you've got something special there. I really do. That's how I feel. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to a vote now. All right. So Louise, would you like to see it again?
I'm going to say yes.
Yeah. Keeleigh?
Yeah, it's a yes for me.
And it's 100% a yes from me, all right? So you've got 3 yeses.